Namaste, Suswagatam. Very good morning to everyone. On behalf of Bombay Matrix Supply Chain Limited, I, Neeta Gala, extend a very warm welcome to you. We are truly pleased to all you have joined us today for the listing of equity shares of Bombay Matrix Supply Chain Limited on emerged platform of National Stock Exchange, a very significant milestone of a company. आप सभी यहाँ पे पधारे, उनके लिए बॉम्बे मैट्रिक सप्लाई चेन लिमिटेड की ओर से मैं आपका तहे दिल से हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ. बिफोर वी बिगिन्स, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज काइंडली राइज एंड रिस्पेक्ट टू आवर नेशनल एंथम. थैंक यू एवरीवन. आज हम बॉम्बे मैट्रिक सप्लाई चेन लिमिटेड की लिस्टिंग सेरेमनी में इकट्ठा हुए हैं. कहते हैं कि कोई भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत विश्व में जिसे महामंत्र कहते हैं वो नमस्कार महामंत्र और जैन मांगलिक के साथ करते हैं. मैं मिस रेशमा को इनवाइट करूंगी कि प्लीज आप यहाँ पे पधारें और नमस्कार महामंत्र का स्मरण कराएं.
ओम नमो हरिहंताणम, ओम नमो सिद्धाणम, ओम नमो हरियाणम, ओम नमो वज्रायणम, नमो लोय सवसावणम. एसो पंचनमुक्कारो सव पावपणासुनो मंगलाणंच सवेसिंग पडमं होय मंगलम. ओम परमेष्टि नमस्कारम सारम नव पदात्मकम आत्मरक्षाकरम वज्र पंजराभ स्मराम्यहम. ओम नमो अरिहंताणम शिरस्कम शिरसि स्थितम. ओम नमो सिद्धाणम मुखे मुख पडम्बरम. ओम नमो आयर्याणम अंगरक्षाति साहिनी. ओम नमो उवजायाणम आयुध्यहस्तयोदनम. नमो लोये सवसाहुणम मोचके पादयो सुबे. एसो पंचनमुक्कारो शीलवज्रमयीतले सव पावपणासनो वप्रो वज्रमयो बहि. मंगलाणंच सवे सिंहान्दिरंगारखातिका स्वाहा तंच पदमेहम पडमं होय मंगलम. वप्रो परिवज्रमयं पिदानं देह रक्षणे महाप्रभावा रक्षेयं शूद्रोपद्रवनाशिनी. परमेष्टि पदोद्भूता कथिता पूर्वसूरिभिः यश्चैवं कुरुते रक्षा परमेष्टि पदैः सदा तस्य न स्याद् भयं व्याधिरादिशापि कदाचन.
थैंक यू रेशमा जी. प्लीज हैव अ सीट. थैंक यू एवरीवन. Bombay Matrix Supply Chain Limited is a full-service provider of global manufacturing, engineering, and supply chain management services. The company has supplier base across India. They are sourcing and supply chain company catering to United States of America, Mexico, and Europe as a holistic system supplier. The company is an expert in aluminum die casting, iron castings, ferrous and non-ferrous forged parts, precision machines parts, brass parts, copper parts, and stamping parts. In addition, the company offers efficient service in project management, quality management, and supplier development in India. Their primary focus remains to support Make in India initiative by developing supplier capabilities in India. The company was awarded with Best Exporter of the Year by Small Business Awards, digitally honored by Minister of Road and Transport and Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Mr. Nitin Jairam Gadkari. Also, the company was awarded for India 5000 Best MSME Awards. Further, The company was awarded for Most Trusted Exporter in Western India by International Service Pride Awards 2021. Now to begin this listing, on an auspicious note, we have lighting of the lamp. May I request all the entire management team of Bombay Matrix Supply Chain Limited and all dignitaries please kindly come forward and join us for lighting the lamp. आप सभी को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आइए लैंप लाइटिंग के लिए आप सभी आगे पधारें. मैं पूरी मैनेजमेंट टीम को और हमारे मेहमान, हमारे डिग्निटरीज जो भी यहाँ पे पधारे हैं, उनको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि प्लीज आप आगे आइए लैंप लाइटिंग सेरेमनी के लिए. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट मिस रचना बावसारी. उनको मैं इनवाइट करूंगी कि प्लीज आप लैंप लाइटिंग के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े. हवाओं से कह दो कि अपने आप को आजमा कर रहना दे. हवाओं से कह दो कि अपने आप को आजमाने का रहने दे. बहुत दीपक जलाए, आज तो एक जला कर दिखाए. आइए हवा से तेज तरार ऐसे लोगों के साथ हम यहाँ पे दीप प्रागट्य करेंगे. प्लीज गिव अ बिग हैंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. दीपक का उजाला आपकी कंपनी को और भी उजाला प्राप्त करे, ऐसी शुभकामनाएं यहाँ से देते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट मिसेस रचना बावसारी, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ऑफ इंडिया. प्लीज कम हियर एंड शेयर फ्यू वर्ड्स विथ अस.
Thanks. Mr. Hiten, Mr. Nipul, and all the dignitaries present here for the listing ceremony, good morning and a very, very warm welcome to this auspicious occasion of listing ceremony of Bombay Matrix. It's an immense pleasure when a company gets listed on NSE, and the pleasure multifolds, when it is listed on the NSE merge family, because we totally believe this SMEs are the growth contributors of any economy, and so it is applicable for India as well. The fact that SMEs contribute to maximum of employment, industrial output, as well as contribution to GDP cannot be ignored. And that is why this platform makes an immense difference to allow these SME companies to tap funds from the public markets. Prior to 2012, this was kind of a dream for corporates that, they could come to public markets and raise funds. But I think Hiten has touched upon it, that from 2012 till today, we have graduated from a small platform to quite a medium platform. I would say we are 27 companies and 4 IPOs are on. So we are on our journey with a bang, and 3,300 crores of funds have been raised by these companies put together. And the amazing part is that we've seen these smaller companies actually grow into larger corporates and migrate to the main board. That's where the aspirations of most of the promoters are, and we are facilitating them in this journey. I welcome Bombay Matrix to the NSE Merge family, and today is an important milestone in the journey, but I also would want to urge all the relevant stakeholders, and specifically the promoters, that the journey has just begun with your investors. A lot of other investors have joined your family. They have reposed confidence in you, and I'm sure you will actually perform very well to repay the confidence that these shareholders have shown in you. The journey begins with a lot of compliances. I'm sure you are well equipped to take care of it, and NSE will be continuously watching you as well as felicitating you to comply with all these requirements. So I wish you for all the future journey and today's great listing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Rachna, for the beautiful and lovely speech. And now I would like to invite Mr. Hiten Shah. Please share a few words with us. Thank you.
So life is all based on adjustment and accommodations. So I would like to extend our warmest thanks to the real star of our show, Nipul Kenya. So please stand up and take a bow, Nipul. It was his dream to be on the public exchange, and I've just tagged along. So thank you, Nipul, for all the hard work you do. Don't expect any credit and keep on going. So thanks to NSE and all the representatives, Jayesh Bhai, all of them that are here, for picking us from a crop of growing companies. Emerge started in 2011. There have been about 227 companies that have been listed on this. 80 of them have gone on to main board. So that is our goal in 24 months or less. And we really appreciate being picked for supporting the Make in India initiative that is driving India's growth and presence in the global markets. Hina and I are thankful for the blessings of our elders. My mom and dad are here. It means a lot to us. Mama is here, Hina's mom in US. And support of hardworking and talented people. That's what drives our business. So all else aside, Raj and all the team here, Mumbai office has all of the finance and accounting, Shruti, everybody else, which just means a lot to us. All your hard work, it shows up here. We're lucky to have two wonderful boys who could not be here today for various reasons, Sahil and Nishan. We love you, and this one is for you guys. I'm thankful for wonderful family members, my brother Jiten, Reshma, Harsha, as well as Chaya, Aravari, all of them, Sanjeev, all of them in US. It takes a village. And I would like to pass our heartiest thanks to all the IPO partners. We just can't do it by ourselves. And thank you to Unistone, Big Share, Rishabh Securities, Rajendra and Company that have representatives here. And we just could not have done this without you. But we're just getting started. And all of our three independent directors that mean a lot. Hiten Shah, Bhavin Gandhi, Vivek Vyas, your support means a lot to us. Your trust means a lot. Your counsel, your advice, all of that. These parts are an integral part of our success. The reason for IPO, we've been asked, why are we doing IPO? Well, the reason is to support immediate high growth area investments in the electrical vehicle and demanding copper applications. Those are the two main areas we're focused in for the next 12 to 24 months to really boost companies' growth. The other reason is having a public presence helps us attract good suppliers and good team members. So attracting good team members, retaining the people that we have is an integral part of everything we do, and having the whole public platform will allow us to do better in that regard. Finally, thanks for the willing investors who express interest in our offering. We were 18.5 times oversubscribed. I thought we were going to be trying to get even this filled, but really, really humbled and excited with the response we got. I think the pre-orders have been almost double as well, so very, very fortunate. I want to say though that taking investors' money, taking outside finances does not come easy to us. We have never done it, so we take it very, very seriously. And I promise you, our destinies are tied. Whatever happens to you, we're going to suffer more, and we're going to take the first hits. So the other thing is that we are long-term investors. We still own a significant part of this business. Okay, so this is just a platform to get started, and we'll continue to make long-term investments in people and technology for years of incredible growth. Two parting thoughts. I'm reminded, and I always constantly remember of the famous Robert Frost poem. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So, just getting started. Abhi picture to baki hai mere dost. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you, Hitenji, for your lovely speech and sharing positive details with us. Thank you very much. And now I would like to invite Mr. Brijesh Parekh, Director of Unistone. Please come forward on the dais and share a few words with us. Mr. Brijesh Parekh. Okay. What's the name? Janvi. Yes, Janvi is here on the behalf of Mr. Brijesh Parekh.
Congratulations, first of all, to the entire team of Bombay Metrics and also my team who has significantly held this company. And the most importantly, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank and sincerely congratulate the team of NSE for their continued support and guidance throughout this entire process. It has been incredible to have observed the effort and dedication that led you all to this moment. While there is no shortage of work still to do, becoming a listed company is indeed an important milestone for you all. It has been our pleasure in bringing a company like Bombay Metrics, who portrays a strong growth mindset in practicing the idea of Make in India, to a growth platform like NSE Emerge. By making the best from this opportunity, we hope that the company will continue to reach new heights and simultaneously contribute to building investors' wealth. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Janvi. Now, to memories of the significance of this event, we will now exchange mementos. We welcome Mrs. Rachna Bhavsari, National Stock Exchange of India. Please come forward to present the mementos to Mrs. Hina H. Shah. Mrs. Rachna Bhavsari will present special memento and listing certificate to Hina H. Shah. Thank you very much and congratulations to Hina ma'am.
This is all the blessings of elders and my husband is doing great always and my brothers.
Yes, Hina bin, I was looking that you want to express your feelings with us, so please come forward here. Yes, our guests want to listen you. You just come and share your feelings with us. Thank you.
Jai Jinendra Badhane. I cannot believe I don't have much knowledge about the stock exchange and all these things, but I'm always behind all the dreams what my husband has. I have known him since I was 13 years old, and I'm blessed with my in-laws, my brother-in-law, sister-in-law, my mama. I miss my dad. He's not here. He would be very proud of my brother, and my mom in US, and my sisters, and my family and friends. My friends have been my family, and my family is precious. Harsha, Nipul, all of them, and I'm here to support. I miss my boys, and my niece Freya would have been here, she's in Dubai, and Kevin, my younger one, naughty, mischievous nephew, he's giving his exam, so he couldn't come here, but I miss all. I feel so fortunate. My brother-in-laws are here. My Bombay Matrix team is here. I miss my global team. All together we make MES and we make Bombay Matrix. We are part of everything, and I love you all. I hope that the God gives us blessing, the elders gives us blessings, and we do the rightful things for all our investors. And I hope we continue to do that. Please keep on giving your love to us, and hopefully we do not disappoint any of you. Jai Jinendra and Michhami Duklam if we missed anything. Thank you.
Hey, gorgeous lady Hina, you are the best example of Nari Shakti. Next, presenting some special mementos to some very special partner whose contribution having invaluable in the successful listing of this event. So, first of all, I would like to call Ms. Rachna Vausari, National Stock Exchange of India. Please come forward and receive special mementos from. I would like to invite Mr. Hitin Shah. Please come forward to present the special mementos to Rachna Vausari.
सारी भी अच्छी से आ रहा है।
Next, I would like to call Mr. Brijesh Parekh from Unistone Capital Private Limited, lead manager to the offer. Janvi, you can join if Brijesh Parekh is not there. And I would like to invite Mr. Vivek. Please come forward to present the special mementos to Janvi. Ringing bell, gong, countdown start हो गया है. So I would like to invite, please all come on the dais and join for countdown.
And after that, we just stay here. We'll take a picture from here. So everybody capture for the moment. Okay.
This is very special moment, ringing of gong. So please come. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, congratulations and very special moments for Bombay Matrix. यहाँ पे जितने भी मेहमान पधारे उनके साथ ये बहुत ही मेमोरेबल मोमेंट्स बॉम्बे मैट्रिक्स से हमने सब लोग साथ में मिलकर सेलिब्रेट की है. So many congratulations to entire team of Bombay Matrix Supply Chain Limited.
આપણે બધાય પેલા ફોટો પાડી બતાઈ અહીંયા સેવિંગ ફોર એવરીબડી. Just everybody please come on the dais. So આપણે ઉભા રહીએ નામ ઉભા રહીએ. Yeah because this is important that everybody that's a part of this movement. So this is the first step. Just the journey is started.
We would like to request all the guests, please come and join us in this special moment. Please take a picture together. It's a very pride and very memorable moment for Bombay Matrix. आइए सब साथ में मिलके इस खुशी में शरीक होते हैं, इस खुशी को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। यस, साथ में होके 3 चीयर्स के साथ बॉम्बे मैट्रिक्स को हम यहाँ से बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन और शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं।
You cannot see the camera, camera cannot see you.
थर्ड रो आगे आ जाओ।
Yeah, you must see the camera so camera can see you. Awesome. Hey, thanks everybody for being here. Repeat. Hooray! Hooray! We won't have enough camera to film this thing. Okay, video. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
कोई टाइम है क्या बेटा?
Again, we will start with special mementos. Now, I would like to invite Justria and legal consultant, legal advisor to the offer. Please come forward on the stage to receive the mementos. And I would like to invite Mr. Bhavin to present the mementos to Justria. I would like to welcome Deep on behalf of Justria. Now I would like to request Independent Director Mr. Hiten Shah, please come forward to present the memento to Rico Securities Limited, Market Maker.
All the trophies.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Akshay on behalf of Rajendra and Company Statutory and Peer Receiving Auditor, and I would like to invite Mr. Hiten T. Shah to present the special mementos to Rajendra and Company. To come forward Mr. Raj on behalf of Bombay Matrix Supply Chain Limited, India Sourcing Manager, and I would like to request Mr. Vinod Selar, Corporator, to present the special memento to Mr. Raj. जी आप यहाँ ही रहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप यहाँ पे पधारे हैं, आपका कीमती समय दिया है. मैं चाहूंगी મિસ્ટર તલકચંદ શાહ. તલકચંદ ભાઈ પ્લીઝ કમ ફોરવર્ડ. તમે અહીંયાથી વિનોદજી સલાનું સ્વાગત કરશો. And now, last but not least, social worker, well-wisher of this family, Mr. Vasant Galia, please come on the dais. And I would like to invite Mr. Hitin and Mr. Nipul, please come here to present the special mementos to Vasant Galia. वसंत भाई सोशल वर्कर है तो हर वक्त बात तो वही करते हैं कि मोमेंट तो जरूर लूंगा, लेकिन हितेन भाई आपको अच्छा डोनेशन देना पड़ेगा समाज को. और हमारे फैमिली के एल्डर बुजुर्ग जिनके आशीर्वाद हर वक्त हमारे साथ रहते हैं, वैसे मिस्टर तलकचंद भाई शाह, उनको मैं इनवाइट करूंगी कि प्लीज आप मंच पर पधारें. और मैं मिसेस हर्षाबेन केनिया, उनको इनवाइट करूंगी कि आप यहाँ पे पधारें और उनका बहुमान करें, सत्कार करें. मिस्टर तलकचंद भाई शाह. एंड नाउ हम ऑनर करना चाहेंगे देवचंद भाई सावला, और मैं हिना बेन से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप देवचंद जी का सम्मान और सत्कार करें.
I'm lucky my dad's in heaven. I have Talakchan Bhai, Devchan Bhai and my Kaka is in Kutch. So I'm blessed to have 3 more dads.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. हिना जी बहुत ही इमोशनल हो गए हैं इस मोमेंट को लेके जो मैं देख रही हूँ, लेकिन यस बुजुर्ग के आशीर्वाद बहुत जरूरी होते हैं. और हमारे हितेन भाई ने कहा कि बहुत भूख लगी है, थोड़ा जल्दी करो. सो आइए वाइंड अप और एंड अप की मोमेंट यहाँ पे आ गई है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट मिस्टर हितेन शाह, प्लीज कम हियर फॉर वोट ऑफ थैंक्स.
It's hard not to get emotional for when you come through this. These are hallowed grounds that have had very, very accomplished people that have gone through this hall, have been here on the dais. Many of the amazing companies that you see have made the travel with very little, like what we had, and we still have, and they've gone places. So we just start this journey with very big dreams and the grit to make sure that we survive the time and the test of time. And I would challenge the team and everybody else to stay with us, because we are going to have ups and downs, but we will be very, very successful as you go along, because we have a long term, we mean well, and we know how to run good business. Okay, thank you again everybody for joining us today and making this very, very important and for all of us, and we'll remember this for a long, long time. But the journey is just begun, so please make sure you have some food, some drinks before you go. Thank you.
थैंक यू हितेन भाई, थैंक यू एवरीवन। आप सभी ये बहुत ही स्पेशल मोमेंट्स में हमारे साथ शरीक हुए, उसके लिए आप सभी का यहाँ से अभिवादन करते हैं, थैंक यू कहते हैं। और आइए अभी यहाँ पे कार्यक्रम को एंड करते हैं, और मैं इतना ही कहूंगी कि आप सभी के चेहरे पर ये मुस्कान हर वक्त ऐसे ही बनी रहे, और बॉम्बे मैट्रिक्स की जर्नी बहुत बहुत आगे जाए, बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहे, और उस जर्नी में हम भी आपके साथ कहीं ना कहीं जुड़े रहे। उसी बात के साथ आज की ये बात यहाँ से पूरी करती हूँ। आप सभी को यहाँ से मैं इतना ही कहूंगी कि आइए हमारे साथ आप ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए ज्वाइन हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आप सभी को नीता गाला का नमस्ते, जय जिनेन्द्र। थैंक यू।